Hi friends! Today we're gonna draw and color in baby shark. Let's go! I'm gonna grab yellow and color the body. Let's use the same yellow for the tail. Wow, that looks so good! Now let's use brown for the eyes. Good, let's use this red for the mouth. Wow, that looks amazing! Now we're going to use green for the reef. Let's use this blue for the seaweed. And now green again. Now I'm going to use pink. And now I'm using green. I'm going to use this light blue for the ocean. Wow, that looks amazing! Now let's draw baby shark with his mommy and daddy. Wow, that looks so good. Now let's color in our shark. I'm going to use yellow to color the body. Wow! Now let's use red for the tongue and light red for the inside. Let's grab black for his eyes and use this dark blue for Daddy Shark. I'm going to use light pink for his mouth. And I'm going to use pink for Mummy Shark. I'll be using orange for the turtle's shell and yellow for the hands and feet. And now I'm going to color in the reef. Wow, that looks so good! Let's draw and colour in Pinkfong. I'll be using this pink for the body and ears. Wow, that looks so nice! Now let's use yellow for the star and for the crown. Now I'm going to colour the eyes in brown. I'll be using pink for the tongue and red for the inside of the mouth. We'll be using blue for its goggles. And brown for the sides. We're first going to use turquoise and then light blue. And now I'm going to colour in dark blue. I'll be using green for these 3 sections. And the same dark blue again. And now I'm using light blue. With the same pink, I'm going to colour in the rest of his tail. Wow, that looks so nice! Now let's colour in the ship. I'm going to use orange. And now I'm going to use yellow, followed by light pink. Then I'm going to use orange, blue and green for this part of the ship. And dark red here. Finally, let's colour in the bubbles. I'm going to use light blue. Wow, that was so fun! Thank you so much for colouring it with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye!